Today in this video we will learn about how to apply PayPal payment gateway in Whmcs. For that, log into Whmcs and then go to Payment Gateways section under Setup. Now, here in all payment gateways, select PayPal. Now, add your gateway credentials under Manage Existing Gateways section and then tap on Save Changes. Here, you just need to enter your PayPal email ID, your API username, API password, signature, and then click on Save Changes. You will get all these information from your PayPal account.